Happy morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Now we all back to the math class. Before entering to the class, we are going to learn something today. That is, the famous phrase represents the power or strength of unity. I hope you all found the topic which we are going to see. What is that? That is union as strength. Feeling of having unity with others make a person so powerful and confident. People have realized this fact and also teach their children to be united by telling different stories based on this fact. Today we are going to see another story of unity is strength. Let's watch and enjoy.
Hey, why did you slap me? Because I am elder than you. Hey, why did you slap me? Because because I am elder than you. Hey, why did you slap me? Because I am elder than you. Why did you slap me? Because I am elder than you.
And one, whom would it go and hit? Under him, there's just zero, but he did not hit him like others did. He turned out to be smart. He raised that zero and put him beside, which made him stronger. That means become 10. Friends, getting support from others and shoulders to trust and rest on is important. Let them be far or near. All it matters is how close they are to you. No person becomes hero by just winning over someone. He becomes hero when he wins hearts of others. Love, spread love.
Yes, my dears, I hope you all understood something from the above video. Now we are going to get insight to our concept chapter 1 number system. Let we discuss about Roman numerals in this chapter. Okay, so we already learnt Roman numerals for the numbers 1 to 50. Yes, my dears, today we are going to recapitulate the topics and we are going to do the problem solving related to Roman numerals. We are using two method of numbers to identify its value. One is Hindu-Arabic numbers. The number which we are using in real life is called that Hindu-Arabic numbers. The another one is called as Roman numerals. In this, we are using the letters to identify the numbers. Now, we quickly recapitulate the values of each letter. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. In this Roman numeral, we couldn't able to show 0. So 0 does not exist in Roman numerals. For writing other numbers, we are using these as a basic letters and basic values. And also we are using three types of rule. One is rule of repetition, Second one is rule of addition. Third one is rule of subtraction. In this, 5, V as 5 and I as 1, 5 plus 1 is the number 6. So we are using rule of addition. So where we are using the rule of addition, the large value is written first, followed by the smaller value. Then add the values. Yes. So the first one should be a greater value. The second value should be lesser than that. Then we can able to use the first rule called as rule of addition. Now look at the example. V value as 5 and I value is 1. Yes. So VI. Now these two letters are used to create the number 6. The first number is 5, which is larger than the second value. The second letter is I. It denotes 1. So which is lesser than the first value. So when we are adding them, we will get 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now the second rule is rule of subtraction. If the smaller value is written first followed by large value, then subtract the values. This is called as rule of subtraction. Yes. So the first letter should be small than the second letter. Yes. Now look at the given example. IV. I value is 1 and V value is 5. Now 1, 5. So the smaller value comes first. So we are subtracting 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Clear? So we should not write 1 minus 5. The larger value should always first. So 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. IV, which is equal to 4. The next rule is called as rule of repetition. We can able to repeat the letter I, X, C and M 3 times. Clear? So the capital letter I, X, C and M are the only letters that can be repeat. V, L and D never repeat. So L is equal to 100. The L cannot repeat. So this is wrong. So apart from using L, we are using the letter C to define 100. Rule number 4. So V111 is equal to 8. Yes, so this is also a rule of repetition. Okay, so I can repeat 3 times. So V as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the I cannot be repeat more than 3 times. Clear children? In the same way 13 also. X 1 1 1 10 plus 3 which is equal to 13. Now you all understood the rules for Roman numerals. Now look at the example 37. We are going to write Roman numerals. So 37 we can able to split this as 30 plus 7. So 30 in the sense x 30 plus 7 5 plus 2. So x v I which is equal to 37. The next example going to be 43. So 40 x 4 times it is not possible. So 40 we can write 50 minus 10 plus 3. So 50 minus 10 that is xl 3 I. So xl I is 43. Now the next one you are going to write Hindu Arabic value for XLI. Now just write the value below to the Roman numeral. X is 10, L is 50, I value is 1. Yes. So the smaller value comes before the bigger one. So 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 1 which is equal to 41. Yes. Now the following going to be the real time worksheet for you all. So in this I will ask you few questions and you are going to answer according to the concept which you learn for Roman numerals. Okay children, are you all ready? Try to do your level best and try to get it a correct answer. Now the first question going to be, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following: X, 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 I, V. The second one, X, X, V, I. The third question, X, L, I. Next one, X, L, I, X. Try to do your level best. Next one is XV. Okay, my dears. Now, the next one is XXXII. I hope you all got the answer for the above questions. Now, the next one, write the Roman numerals for 7. Next one is 15. Next is 22. The next one going to be 31. 39. And then 43. Did you all complete your work? Let me see the answers for the above question. Yes, so worksheet solutions. Now the first one I just given that, write the Hindu Arabic numbers for the following numerals. XXX is 30, IV is 4. So 34, rule of addition and subtraction together in this. Yes children, can you all able to do that? The next one, XX20, V1, 5 plus 1. So 25 plus 1 is 26. Rule of addition. The next one, XL, it's 40. We know already. I is 1. So 40 plus 1, 41. The next one, XL is 40 and IX is 9. So 40 plus 9 is 49. XV 10 plus 5 15. XX 11 30 plus 2 32. Okay, just check your answers. Hope everyone got good marks. The next one, write Roman numeral for Indo-Arabic number. 7, 5 plus 2. So VII is 7. So addition, rule of addition. The next one is 15. So 10 plus 5, XV is 15. 22. So 20, XX 2. II. So XXII is 22. The next one is 31, 30, XXX and 1 I, 31. The next it is going to be 39. So 30, XXX, 9 we know already, that is IX. So 39. The next question going to be 43. So we know already 40 is XL and 3 III. So this is a simple way to find out Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Okay my dears, I hope you all understood how to write the Roman numerals. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.